Now I will reverse back and install the shorter section of downspout. And why that is because I actually want that elbow exiting about 10 inches or 12 inches off the ground. So when I add the 5-foot extension, that extension has a nice slope off to the end of the extension to make sure the water gets the velocity and flows out as I would desire it. All right, so let's take a look. This is a 5-foot extension. You can combine that with a splash guard to help avoid erosion of your landscaping. So the nice thing on this downspout extension is you do install it so it has a pivot. And why you would do that is then it's easy to pivot that up while you mow and then just put it back down afterwards. So I put 2 screws on both sides. I cut out about a 2.5 inch or 3 inch section from the top and then down the side wall for about 1/2 inch. And then that gives me the clearance that I need to pivot up the downspout, and then it can hold in place while I mow. And then I can just pivot that back down out to the splash guard, and it's good for when it rains. Now, if you want to see the other 2 options, which might fit your need at your home to get that water away from your foundation, check out this video right here. We'll walk through the one we just showed you, but also an easier one and a little more involved one that might get the results that you need at your own home. So thanks for joining me in this video, and we'll catch you on that next one. Take care.